Hello students, and welcome back to ITMaster. In today's class, we are going to study the best AI tools to grow your YouTube channel in 2025. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we create content. With the right tools, you can save time, improve your quality, and grow faster than ever before. I will open each website, explain its features, and show you exactly how it can help your channel. So let's begin our detailed lesson. 1. ChatGPT, OpenAI, Scripts and Ideas. Our first tool is ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal assistant for creativity. It can help you generate video ideas, detailed scripts, engaging titles, and even YouTube descriptions. For example, if you type, "Give me 10 YouTube video ideas for a tech channel," ChatGPT will give you a full list instantly. This means you will never run out of ideas and can always stay consistent with your uploads. In 2025, staying consistent is one of the most important parts of YouTube growth, and ChatGPT makes this much easier. 2. TubeBuddy AI, SEO and Optimization. Our second tool is TubeBuddy AI. This is a powerful extension that connects directly to your YouTube account. Its AI features help you write SEO-friendly titles, optimize descriptions, and the right tags. It also gives you analytics, keyword insights, and thumbnail testing. For example, TubeBuddy allows you to test two different thumbnails on the same video and shows you which one gets more clicks. Remember, a higher click-through rate means more viewers, and more viewers mean faster growth. 3. VidIQ AI Coach, Channel Strategy. Next, we have VidIQ AI Coach. Think of this tool as a personal mentor for your channel. It studies the latest YouTube trends and then gives you recommendations on what kind of video to create next. It also shows you which keywords are trending and which topics your audience is most interested in. This tool is perfect if you are confused about your next video idea, because VidIQ AI will guide you like a teacher, showing you the right direction for growth. 4. Canva AI, Magic Studio, Thumbnails and Design. Our fourth tool is Canva AI, also called Magic Studio. Design is very important on YouTube. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see before they even watch your video. Canva AI helps you create professional thumbnails, banners, and social media posts quickly. The Magic Design feature uses AI to generate creative designs based on your text or images. Even if you are not a graphic designer, Canva will make your thumbnails look attractive and professional, which increases your click-through rate. 5. Descript AI, Easy Video Editing. Our fifth tool is Descript AI. This is one of the most beginner-friendly editors, because instead of editing videos in a complicated timeline, you edit them like a text document. For example, if you say, or, too many times, Descript AI will automatically detect and remove those words. It also generates subtitles and cleans background noise. This makes your video more professional, saves you hours of editing, and ensures that your audience stays engaged. 6. Pictory AI, Faceless Video Creator. Next, let's look at Pictory AI. This tool is perfect if you don't want to appear on camera. All you need to do is paste your script, and Pictory will automatically create a video with stock footage, background music, voiceover, and captions. This is especially useful for educational or motivational channels, where showing your face is not required. With Pictory, you can create professional-looking videos in just minutes. 7. Synthesia AI, AI Avatars and Voice. Our seventh tool is Synthesia AI. This tool is famous for creating videos with realistic AI avatars and natural-sounding voices. You can choose from many avatars, select your script, and Synthesia will generate a full video with lip-syncing and professional audio. It also supports multiple languages, which means you can reach international audiences. For example, if you want to make your video available in English, Spanish, and French, Synthesia can do that for you with just a few clicks. 8. Auphonic AI, Audio Enhancement. And finally, we have Auphonic AI. Audio quality is often ignored by beginners, but it is extremely important for audience retention. Auphonic automatically balances your voice, removes background noise, and makes your audio clear and professional. When your video sounds better, viewers stay longer, which increases watch time and helps with YouTube monetization. Outro. So class, today we studied the best AI tools to grow your YouTube channel in 2025. Let's quickly revise. ChatGPT helps with scripts and ideas. TubeBuddy AI improves SEO and titles. VidIQ AI gives channel strategy. Canva AI creates thumbnails and designs. Descript AI makes editing simple. Pictory AI is for faceless video creation. Synthesia AI provides avatars and voices. Auphonic AI improves your audio quality. Each of these tools plays a different role, but together they can save you time, improve your content, and speed up your YouTube growth. This is your teacher from ITMaster. Don't forget to like this lesson, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss a new class. Thank you for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.